Afghanistan has one of the highest infant mortality rates at 43 deaths per 1,000 live births. Infectious diseases, respiratory infections, diarrhea, malaria, preterm birth complications, and birth asphyxia are the most significant drivers. As a result, the nation is in dire need for better healthcare facilities for the newborn and children. The United Arab Emirates has unveiled a project to establish 10 state-of-the-art maternity and pediatric centers across Afghanistan, aiming to address critical healthcare needs while fostering stability, development, and prosperity in Afghanistan. The UAE has identified Afghanistan as one of its key areas for humanitarian and sustainable aid. The medical center in Bhagbhani district of Jalalabad is already busy receiving expectant mothers and those with infants and young children who need medical care.
We are trying. Previously, there were unsafe births happening at home, but now we are carrying them out with the help of a professional team. Along with all of this, we provide vaccination and nutrition support for newborns.
Shazia Mohammadi is a mother of 6 and has never been able to benefit from modern healthcare for her family so far. Filled with gratitude as the result of this noble initiative, she decided to name her baby daughter Fatima after the wife of UAE's founder, the late Sheikh Zahid bin Sultan Al Nahyan.
This is the first baby born in the clinic and they promised to help us. When we came home a few days after, they called our home and we told them the baby's name would be Fatima.
Beyond healthcare, the initiative is generating economic opportunities, creating many jobs and stimulating local businesses in the vicinity. DV Vinod Kumar's report, Dubai, DD India.